Okay, we're going to use functions from these three modules up here. If we want to use these functions from these classes, we have to reference the import statement so Python can find them. The Z-file line uses the zipline function of the zipline module, and it opens up the zipline file and makes a list of file names. At this point, we have a list of files that are inside the testfile.zip. The pass file line includes all the lines in english.txt. The counter value is set to start at 0. The first print line lets look at datetime.datetime.now, execute the datetime.now function of the module. We get back the current date and time, uses a string function to convert the datetime value back to a string so it can be printed. So the print statement is going to print starting password cracker at the datetime. Next print statement will go to the next line and print a period, the comma, and the print statement will leave the print on the same line. Next we have a for loop. It will loop through a pass file which contains all the lines in the English.txt file. The first line increments the counter. The next line is using the line strip function to remove the end of the line character, and then the password variable contains the value without the end of the line character. Next we'll go into the try except block. The first line is going to extract all files while trying the password value, that is the password variable. This time through the loop, for example, if the value inside the password is Bob, it will try to open the zip file using Bob. If the password doesn't work, the program puts an error or exception. If we don't have an except block, the program will shut down, but because we have an except block, the program resumes at the except block. The next line in the try block is a print statement. We only reach the print line if the line above it works and there's a password match. Next we will print these two lines. The first will print the text, and it will print the value of the password variable. Then it will print the end of the line character, so the print will start on the next line. The next line will print the text ending password cracker at, and it will use the datetime.now function to print the date. It will convert it to a string and print the date time. Exit 0 means that we're exiting with a good status or return code. Exit drops us out of the for loop and out of the program. So in this case we found a password that matched. We printed the password and we printed the time that the password cracker ended, and the program is done. As said before, when we try to match the password in the try above and it doesn't match, the program will produce an error and will go into an except B block. The if statement is dividing the counter by 5,000, seeing if there's a remainder of 0. If there's a remainder of 0, meaning the counter is 5,000 or 10,000, we're going to print another period and stay on the same line. And if the system module st.flush function to force an immediate print on the same line. The pass statement means that we are going back into the for loop to loop again. The exception block is going to print a period on every 5,000 passwords, and that's what you see here below. Thank you.